Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Databricks for AI workflow automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Databricks at www.databricks.com. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up button. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input your email and click Continue. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Databricks. Open that email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, you'll be redirected to a registration form. Fill in the requested information, including your name and company details. Select a password that meets the specified requirements. Once you have completed the form, click on Create Account. This will lead you to a setup screen. At this point, you may be asked to choose a workspace region. Select the region closest to you for optimal performance. Once you've made your selection, click on Continue. You may be prompted to provide payment information. Enter your credit card details if you are opting for a paid plan. If you choose a free trial, look for the option to start a trial and select it. Review your selections and click Confirm to finalize the setup. After confirmation, you will have access to your Databricks workspace. Take a moment to explore the features available in your new account. You are now ready to start your AI workflow automation in Databricks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.